The Rosetta Stone. A key to deciphering ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, the Rosetta Stone remains one of the most important artifacts in the study of ancient history and linguistics. The Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines are mysterious geoglyphs etched into the desert floor of Peru. The Nazca Lines depict various animals and geometric shapes, but their purpose and origins are still shrouded in mystery. The Moai of Easter Island. The Moai of Easter Island are enigmatic stone statues carved by the Rapa Nui people of Easter Island. The Moai continue to intrigue researchers with their massive size and mysterious purpose. The Antikythera mechanism. The Antikythera mechanism is an ancient Greek analog computer used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses. The Antikythera mechanism is considered one of the earliest examples of complex scientific technology.